that room's never been treated, so there's probably bed bugs in there.
Right, so we don't,
Just need her to get used to the environment first.
I'm not following you, I don't think.
well, did we
We've
get the
already
hit in that room?
confirmed with Lucy now. Walter checked this room. And we're confirming with
The only room we didn't get
Lucy
hit in was this one to the right.
the presence of bed bugs.
One arm. The only one we didn't get hit in.
But like you said, we don't know.
Oh, I strongly believe it, bro. Especially after doing all the up here. They dump their bags out, there's a suitcase there now.
Yeah, it's infect the place.
Show me.
Okay.
Oh shit, I mean, if we. even
So
if
she
we
hit over
gassed this
here?
whole building,
Yeah,
they
over
did
here.
what they did.
And
They
that's-
used Viking gas, which is real poisonous gas.
Other buildings.
If they did the same thing that they just did here, it would be the same result. What'd Rick find in there?
Show me.
She-
Show me. Show me. Show me. Lucy.
Yeah, same spot.
Okay, excuse me. See, this is the kind